day, my friend Mondo tells me, Gabriel, you know what? Felipe is always messing with us. Why don't you mess with him? I go, what should I do? He goes, why don't you crank call him? I go, dude, that's a good idea. It's like a little kid, right? I picked up the phone. I was like,
Hello, sir. Hi, this is the front desk. Listen, we're having a report of a lot of noise coming from your room. Do you think you could please keep the noise down?
I'm sorry, fool. I didn't know making noise.
Thank you, sir. Please keep it down.
Okay. 10 minutes later, called him back. Shut up, dude, shut up. Hello?
Hello, sir? Hi, front desk again. Listen, obviously you did not understand what I said earlier about the noise. You need to keep the noise down.
But I'm not Mexican.
So listen! You either keep down the noise, or we're going to call the authorities.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
And before I hung up the phone, I said this.
Damn Mexicans.
You guys swear to God, the Mexican Revolution started all over here, right? He was mad. He came running over to the room, right? He started pounding on the door, right? Open the door. Hey, shut up, dude, shut up.
Shut up!
What's up, dude? Fool, you're not gonna believe it. This hotel is racist.
Really?
Why do you say that? Fool, I lay at the front desk. She doesn't like Mexicans. Well, what are you gonna do about it? Fool, I'm gonna go shoot her. Dude, I'm not shooting anybody. Maybe you just need to go talk to her. Mama, tell him, yeah, you should go talk. Fool, that's what I'm